Hey y'all, I hope you're having a good day. I'm going to do just one more on adding rational expressions when E. The last four, 7 through 10, are all very similar. I'm just going to go ahead and do number 7. And so let's look at that one. So we have two rational expressions we're trying to add. Their denominators do not match. They don't have anything in common either, so I need to multiply each rational expression by the other one's denominator. Now this is going to be a little bit more work here, but let's do it. So over on this side, I'm multiplying by 5x plus 9 on the top and bottom. On this side, I'm multiplying by x plus 2 on the top and bottom. Now what makes this one a little bit more of a pain is when I'm doing those denominators, or I'm sorry, the numerators, when I'm multiplying, I'm going to need to use my box, or you can FOIL if you're comfortable with foiling. So what's the new denominator? 5x plus 9 times x plus 2, and of course you could have that order switch. The order doesn't matter. Now, as far as the numerators go, I'm going to use the box method to multiply, and I'm actually going to go up to give myself a little space. So over here, I'm going to be multiplying what? 5x plus 9 times 4x plus 8. And that's going to be 20x squared, 40x, 36x, and 72. And I see that I'll be able to combine the 36x and the 40x. So on my first new rational expression, I end up with 20x squared. 36 plus 40 is 76, so plus 76x, and then plus that 72. Sorry, I didn't give myself a lot of room for this today. So that's the first one. I need to do the same thing for the second one. Again, I'm using the box method. There are other ways to multiply, but I find the box method works consistently, and that's always nice. So what do I get here? 3x times x is 3x squared. 3x times 2 is 6x. 2 times x is 2x. And 2 times 2 is 4. So again, the 3x squared doesn't have a partner. The 2x and 6x make 8x. And then that 4 comes down unchanged. So now I look again. What do I have? I have two rational expressions that I'm trying to add. Do their denominators match? Yes, now they do. So now I'm going to write out my answer. I'm not multiplying out the bottom. I do not need to do that. So let's combine some like terms. So I see I have over here 20x squared and 3x squared, which makes 23x squared. I have 76x plus another 8x, which is going to be 84x. And then I have the 72 and the 4 make 76. And that's it. Now again, this isn't hard work. If you had me for Algebra 1, we spent a lot of time multiplying with the box. And imagine if you had somebody else, you still did your multiplication quite a bit. Yeah, that's it. So you can look, it's kind of a monster problem. And again, if I was being mean, I could make you factor the top and cancel, but we're not going to do that on this assignment. I don't think it's really necessary. All right, that is all. Thank you, guys.